So little bit more on object snap. I have a line here, say for example, and I want to start another line starting from the midpoint of this line. See, as you can see here, it is showing in a green triangle, and if I want to start a line from the end point, it is showing as a square box. These green color things are entities of this line, and you can start off a line based on these entities. Okay, and catching hold or snapping onto these entities, that is called object snap. So this is very easy and a convenient way to make drawings, but sometimes what happens is that, say for example, I have another line here like this, and I am planning to end one line like this, another one like this. These are all part of, say, some drawing that I need. And now if I zoom out, okay, now you see it, there are a lot of points there. I cannot find which point to snap onto, so I'll have to zoom in and check in and then click it. Or you can do one thing, you can always shift right click and select the kind of entity that you would like to snap onto. It is always better to use this method when you cannot clearly snap onto the object or the entity that you would like to start your drawing from. Say for example, in this case I would like to start the drawing from a midpoint, so, and that to this midpoint, okay, or some other midpoint. See here, there are a lot of midpoints, so I need to be very careful, extra cautious when I use object snap.